welcome back. Hi girl, if they say I ain't the baddest, then the motherfuckers lie. You fancy, huh? Getting ready, so I know we gon' be here a while. In the bathroom, flat irons and nail files. Genie, booty, dreamy, waist is teeny. Yes, I told him to get titles, so he stream me when he leave me.
Okay, these perfect. Okay, hey y'all, so I'm back. Right now it's 2:48. I got an interview at 3 o'clock. It's 2:48, like I said. And I washed my hair, as y'all can see, but I'm not done because I need to be cute tomorrow for when we go to school, because we doing character day or whatever. Let's see. Period. I really don't know what this video is supposed to be, but I know I want to take y'all to school with me tomorrow because it's gonna be fun. Cause we got Spirit Week going on, like I said, for the 5th time, and it's Character Day tomorrow, which is Monday. A Disney character. So I'm gonna be this girl right here. I'm gonna put her on the screen because I don't even know her name. My mom told me to be her. So yeah, I'm just about to fix my eyebrows up a little bit because they ugly. Whatever. I'm about to go in here and see what they talking about, and then I'm gonna come back out. We're gonna go to Dunkin' Donuts, and I think that's it for today. I gotta do some homework. I gotta do a project, and we might go to the vacuum place. I don't know, y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna go to the vacuum place, honestly. I ain't even gonna say I am. Hey y'all, I'm back. Hold on, let me see what time it is. I'm back. It's 3:40. I was in there for 40 minutes, but your girl just got a new job. Don't play with me ever in your life. Hold on, I gotta get a car mount. But your girl got the job or whatever, and we start next week. Yeah, so I just quit McDonald's. I just stopped working at McDonald's like last week, I think. Yeah, I just got my last check from them last week. And this is cool because listen, it's even closer. Well, it's right across the street, but it's still closer a little bit. And I'm gonna be a server, so you know what that means? Tips, baby, tips. And they gonna tip me, trust me. I'm so happy I got the job because I needed a job, first of all, because I just got a car, so I need money. Go ahead with your order. Hi, may I have a medium iced cappuccino? And may I have that with almond milk, French vanilla, and caramel pumps?
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Okay.
That's all.
Anything else?
That's all.
Okay, $5.75.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Early the next morning.
Okay, y'all can see the picture on the screen, but what I'm gonna wear to match it is a one piece, a black one piece, because it's the only black kind of shirt I got. Even though it's a little bit extra, it says one piece from Shein with one sleeve, and I only got these pants from City Trends with the little belt on it, so it just go perfectly. So this was great. And yeah, y'all see the picture on there. So now I'm finna change and I'm gonna come back to y'all. Okay, y'all, look. I'm gonna put some Tims on because I don't have no, ooh, let me close the toilet. I don't have any black shoes and I don't wanna wear my one. So we're gonna wear some Tims and I might wear some like high white socks. I got the phone tilted, but good morning, y'all. I didn't even talk to y'all, but I'll be tired, like. And y'all see how I diffuse my hair? That stuff takes so long. Oh, it's cold. Alright. Okay, hey y'all. So we are about to I gotta do my lips first. We got some animal crackers. All right, we ready. So we actually gotta go to my mom's house first. Well, I didn't forget, but I'm gonna wear some, well, I think I already told y'all, but I'm gonna wear some Tims because I don't want to wear ones, and yeah, that's fine. So yeah, I will talk to y'all. Oh wait, and I'm wearing a jacket. Let me make sure it's back there. But I will talk to y'all when I get my stuff on. So y'all, I'm finna go into the store and get some snacks. I'm late, but it's cool. It's cold as fuck. How don't they have sweet tea? Okay, y'all. So we at the school. I just pulled up. This is the jacket I got on. I'm irritated because it's gray, but it's comfy, so it is what it is. But we're about to take. I really don't want to take my purse in there, but I think I'm gonna have to. I might just take my volleyball bag in there. Because I got so many bags to take. Yes. So, alright, we're ready. So, I think this is the end of this video though, because I'm not vlogging in school today. I just can't. So, let me take this mask off. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I don't know what I got, but whatever I got, I'm gonna push into the video. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're new, period. And stay tuned for more videos coming next week, especially Saturday. But yeah, talk to y'all later because I'm late. So yeah, bye.